do this. This thing on. Okay. Alright, so kamusta kayo guys? Ayun, we're going to do something about our bike. So we got this CNC clear clutch cover. So papalitan natin siya. So di na natin napakita, like, but we remove the side fairings dito, tsaka yung gas tank cover. So now what we're going to need is this is the parts. Okay, yung parts na yan. This one. So, ano mangyayari dyan natin ilalagay, no? Ayan. So, first time doing this. So, destroy it your own na naman tayo. So, ayan. Ayan, kailangan natin to. Yung mga ganitong screw. Move it so like that. Tapos, make sure na meron kayong tawag dito, secure yung mga screw nyo para may iwasan nyo yung pagkakawala nilang lahat. So meron bang advantage ang clear clutch cover? Well, it's cool. Astig siyang tignan. Aside from that, I don't see anyone or any benefits from changing your cover. You know? Weird. There we go. Got to be precise. Pagtanggal na ito, sabi sa instruction, dapat naka-side stand siya. Like, you don't need to like pull it out ng. There we go. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Kailangan siya naka-side stand para hindi mag-spill yung oil. So, diba may langis tayo dito. Yan. So, screw na lang. Dalawa na lang. Alright, let's go. Come on. There we go. To remember kung anong tinanggal natin, ano yung inano natin ng mga screw, the process. Do not try this at home. Not sure, man. Ayan. Okay. So now, tanggalan natin yung GB Racing nating cover, no? There we go. Very nice. You can remove this thing. There we go. So, ayan siya. Ayan, there's a little bit of oil. So, kailangan natin itong tanggalin isa-isa. Pero just to give you guys a glimpse. So, ganyan siya, maging ganyan siya. Wow, diba? Mas makangas tignan. Clear parts. Pasensyahan nyo na medyo maingay yung kapitbahay natin kasi ngayon. Yan siya, oh. Huh? Yan, ganyan. Yan, tama. Yan. Dito lang natin siya i-edit kung paano natin siya maano, no? Nakikita nyo na siya. Umaakit na siya. Paunti-unti. Huh? Alright. Make sure na parang sakto. Tama. Pantay-pantay. So, lapit natin. Sana makita nyo na mas maayos. Yeah? There we go. ASMR ba kasi merong gumagawa ng bahay sa kapitbahay. Yan. Destroy it yourself. Char. See? Dapat, yan, halos sabay-sabay sila. Alright. There we go. Okay, we got it. Tanggalin natin the spring. What you want to do is tatanggalin mo to. This plate, no? There we go, okay. So nakikita nyo to. Yan, yung may parang stainless thingy. So what you gotta do is like you take your flat screw. Flat screw. Like, I think this will... No, that's not flat. There we go. Maybe this will work. Ito, parang fork. Alright, switch it out. This one. Take it like this. Simply pop off that bit now. There we go. One ring. Be very, very careful with this, guys. There we go. The other one is off. Yeah, see? Gotta clean it off lagi. And then this one. Come on, just a little bit more. You come along and antay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. No. Ayun na matanggal. Gosh, yeah. There we go. Alright, let's go. Meron tayong tatlo nun. Tapos ang kailangan natin gawin is we have to like push this out. No? Push this out. Tapos papalit natin dito. Okay. Alright. See? Ayan, natanggalan natin siya. Ayan. So, we're going to put it dito. Ayan, sa new housing niya. Alright. Kita nyo ba? So, ito yung importante. So, unahin muna natin siya dito. No? Okay. So, alala nyo to. Itong mga to. Lalagyan natin yung ulit doon. Ayan, dito, ganyan, no? Isa-isa. Alright. Gotta figure it how. There. Ayan. See? Medyo easy. Pero importante. Alright. Doesn't matter kung anong nakaharap. Hindi naman. So may lagay mo na siya. Okay? Alright. See? Once you got the 3 musketeers. 3 pins, no? Yeah, make sure it's like fit. And tight, okay? Hindi naman tight. So like, get it all in one piece. Alright, so ilalagay mo na yung nasa gitna. This one. Yeah, so now na nailagay na natin siya. Yung parang like O-ring niya. Tapos yung centerpiece niya. Ilalagay na natin like so. No? See? Just gonna lock it in place. And then what's gonna happen is yung mga spring natin, itong tatlo na to, sure everything's clean. Yun yung mga maglalakin sa kanya. So, lagyan din natin ng ganito. Let me see kung tama ba ganyan. Yan! See? So, kapag umiikot siya, it's gonna be nice. It'll look nice, no? Alright. There we go. Okay. So take your screws in. Ayan. So namatay pala yung camera natin kanina. No? So nalagyan na natin, make sure na tama yung mga fittings dito. Ayan. No? Tapos ngayon lalagyan na natin, babalik muna natin yung spring. This one. Ayan. No? Tapos ito na. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Bayhan muna. Tapos muna na ganyan. Let's go. So, we're back. Yan, lalagyan na natin. Yan. Kaya mo muna kumagat. Yan, okay. And then number 3. That's screw. Just like so. Alright. Kamay mo muna hanggang maging finger tight. Dapat, tulad ng pagtanggal natin, halos even lang dapat yan. Para mas maging panayad yung pagbalik. Yung tension niya. Alright. That's almost like finger tight. Okay, now we're ready to use the tool. Babaliktad naman tayo, yan. Alright. Okay. One of the coolest mods na pwede mong gawin sa Street Fighter mo o kaya sa Panigale mo. This thing. Almost like dry clutch, pero siguro hindi siya mas takaw maintenance, kumbaga. Kasi meron pa rin tayong oil. Medyo exposed lang yung ating clutch. So wala pa rin tayo masyado yung parang mechanical sound na parang yung lumalangit-ngit. Never in my entire life na ma-imagine ko na magagawa ko to. It's not recommended, I guess. Talagang hindi naman tayo nagmamotor dati, but damn, okay na to. So yun yan. See, from this to this. Alright, so ang natitira lang natin gagawin ay lalagyan natin yung cover natin. So we are given dalawang gasket ba to? So sabi, like before you put it, dapat lubricated siya. So either engine oil, wag naman baby oil. Sabi nila pwede rin yung B40 ba? Yeah, so I guess we'll see. So we unscrew this one muna. Unscrew this one naman. Push. Ayun o. See him. Already looks cool. Damn, son, where'd you find this? See, yan. Simulate natin dito yan, ganyan. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, ito, yan. Ganyan. But, check muna. Okay naman siya and everything, kaso tumatagas yung